Pakistani military court sentences civilian in connections with 2023 protests. Trump envoy calls for Imran Khan's release. In a major development, a Pakistani military court has handed down prison sentence to several civilians, including a relative of former Prime Minister Imran Khan and two retired military officers. The sentences, ranging from a few years to a decade, are linked to attack on military installations during nationwide protests in May 2023. The protest erupted after Khan's dramatic arrest on corruption charges, triggering unprecedented backlash against Pakistan's powerful military. According to the military's media wing, these verdicts are intending to uphold accountability and restore stability after the violent demonstrations that left a deep impact on the nation. Earlier, others were convicted on similar charges. The trial have raised questions about transparency, as military courts are traditionally designed for handling offenses involving military personnel, not civilians. Critics argue that the government is using these courts to clamp down on political dissent, while supporters of the decisions maintain they are necessary to curb disorder. Now, the May 2023 protest, a turning point. Imran Khan arrest in May 2023 marked a turning point in Pakistan political and social landscape. His supporters, many aligned with his Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party, took to the street in massive demonstrations that quickly spiraled into the violence. Military installations were attacked and ransacked and move in a country where the military has traditionally been viewed as an untouchable institution. The government responded by invoking strict measures, including arrests and trials in military courts. These actions have been criticized by international human rights organizations, which argue that trying civilians in military courts violates due process and constitutional protections. Trump's envoy joined calls for Imran Khan's release. In a surprising twist, a special envoy appointed by former US President Donald Trump has called for the immediate release for Imran Khan. This demand comes at a time when Pakistan government has formed a special committee to explore a potential compromise with the jail leader. Khan's imprisonment has become a flashpoint for political tension in Pakistan. His supporters view his detentions as politically motivated, aim at sidelining him from the political arena. International observers have echoes these concerns, arguing Pakistan governments to ensure fair treatment and due process. Now, what's behind the push to free Imran Khan? Several factors may explain the sudden push for Imran Khan release. Political instability. Khan's continued imprisonment has intensified division within Pakistan's already polarized political landscape. His release could ease tensions or reduce the risk of further unrest. Pakistan's fragile economy, burdened by inflation and debt, is struggling to cope with political turmoil. A compromise with Khan might help stabilize the situations and reassure both domestic and international stakeholders. Now, international pressure. The involvement of a high-profile envoy from Donald Trump highlight growing global scrutiny of Pakistan handling of Khan case. These pressures may compel the governments to reconsider its stance. Now, compromise effort. Report of a special committee working on a deal suggests that both sides may be looking for a way to de-escalate the crisis. Khan release could pave the way for negotiations that address broader political grievances. The developments surrounding Imran Khan's imprisonment, the sentences of civilians, and the international call for his release underscore the deep challenges faces Pakistan. The government and military face criticism for their handling of the crisis, while Khan's supporters remain defiant in their demand for justice. As Pakistan navigates these turbulent periods, the outcome of these events will likely have lasting implications for its political stability, democratic norms, and relationship with the international community. Whether through compromise or confrontations, the nation stands at a critical juncture. So this is me, Tabinder, signing off. Stay tuned for more news. Desi TV USA, DTVNN, and our OTT platform, DTV Flex, where you can access to over 3,000 channels. So stay tuned and stay with us.